How to fix Ethernet connection in Windows 11. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, in the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for network connection. And once you search for it, go ahead and tap on view network connections. So inside here, the first thing that you'll like to do is right click on your Ethernet, then simply tap on disable. Once it is disabled, go ahead and right click onto it again, then simply press enable. And once it is done, simply go ahead and check if it's working fine or not. If not, simply right click onto it, then press properties. Inside properties, go ahead and simply select Internet Protocol version 4 and then tap on properties again. Now from here, inside general, you want to go ahead and select obtain an IP address automatically and do the same for this one as well. Once it is done, go ahead and tap on OK and then tap on close. After it is done, go ahead and simply check if it's working or not. If not, right click onto it again, tap on properties. Then from here, go ahead and tap on Internet Protocol version 4 again, tap on properties again. You want to go ahead and simply select use the following DNS addresses. And in here, go ahead and type in 8888. And inside alternate DNS server, go ahead and press 8844. Once done, go ahead and tap on OK and simply close it. After doing this, go ahead and check if it's working fine or not. If it still does not work, head back to your home screen. In the search bar, go ahead and search for settings. Once you search for it, go ahead and simply tap on network and internet. From here, scroll below, then tap on advanced network settings. And just like so, you want to go ahead and tap on network reset and reset your network. With that, your problem should be fixed. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.